Welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'll be showing you guys my Blender website V3. So let's get right into it. So as you can see at the start, we have a login screen, which we have to use our login, or we can sign up right here. You can enter in your name, email, and password. Of course, for now, since I'm just showing it off, I'll just sign in with my I'll just sign in with my I'll just sign in with my shift a great name, and of course you can use any name on this one if you want. You can put any name or put in password. I'll use a strong password, create account, and then what I did at right here is just a home page. So there's also this animation scrolling kind of thing like this, so you can kind of go like this and then scroll down, and all of that happens, the animation occurs. Then after we have the home page. This is what we have right here: model it, animate it, and publish it. Of course, I don't think some of these parts work, but if you press on them, they work. But some of these I think are I don't know, something's wrong with the display or something. For these ones, I'll fix that up in V4, and then right here you can press browse community builds, and it pops up right here down like this. And then there's your build could be next. We have a how's it work kind of thing. The docs doesn't, if you put down the how's it work, it goes right there. The docs doesn't work though, but then we have a profile right here. Up here it says your profile, and then there's a friends down here showing all your friends that are there. Then there's a your builds section. Then there's a danger zone, so you can kind of log out, I guess. Fine, I'll just show it to you for this purpose. I'll just go back into a guest account like this. You can add a friend right here. You can search up anyone, and that was currently here, so you can click add, and then guess what? Then I go back. Then I click add. No, I meant. Oh no, not open editor, I meant profile, and there we have our account right here. I'll probably make it so you can view other people's accounts also. You can edit this profile. I'll call my name. I'll also call it Shiv on this one, so nice name. Let's go. I'll make an icon also for this kind of thing, so you can use any icon, I guess. We have all these ones. I mean, you can view them in 3D. I guess that's kind of cool. I mean, I can move it. It's a read view only kind of thing. And then right here we have the we also have an open editor button. What this does is it opens us up to the editor. Wait, so you just press this. There's a custom loading screen, and there it is up here. I mean, it feels nice. And then we already know the layout, but I decided I'll add something very cool to this. You can go like this for one, which is very nice. I can replace it like that. I can go like this. I can also pop these things out. What I mean by pop them out is make them a window like this. I can drag it onto this side. I can split view it like this, snap it onto that side, and then snap it onto this side. Wait, yeah. Now I can do it like this, and then you can edit on this side. But of course, I'll dock them back in like that. They're docked back in, and I can move this up like that. You'll also see it in the windows, floating window. I'll probably add it for these also. I'll probably add it in the window section to say pop out modeling, because you can actually pop it out. You can actually pop out the modeling, which I really like. You can also resize it, which I forgot to show you, which you can actually do. But probably a lot of stuff have been added, like sculpting, which was a thing in the past which said it's coming soon. Now you finally have an actual sculpting system. Just click to select your point, and then I think you can you can edit it like this. I don't know like how I like gave it to like Claude to make it, so I kind of don't know how much on how it works. I think yeah, that's the mode. Of course, you have like this extrude and insert. I don't know if that wasn't the last thing. You can go to shading right here. You have like a lot of shading options. I'll go for a nice gradient applied. Nice. You have nice gradients. We also have a split view like this. We can like go like this. We can go to a single view only. We got some scripting. What I did this time was I also had blocks like this. I mean, mostly I'm gonna try and fix up this part right here. But this works now. We also have like a little time, I guess, underneath. Will like it updates. Look, I can delete stuff. It will always pop up like this. The number keeps changing like as the lines go on. It says tris underneath because for the simple reason being this is a tris with triangles. That's why I mean it's like saying it's tris underneath. We also have some other like stuff with scripting, and then there's this new AI panel which added probably needs an Dropkick API key. I don't know like because I made this with like an API. I made this so it needs an API key. I feel like yeah it needs API key. Okay, acting out of the AI section. Yep, now it pops up. Here we go. I was asking it to make it. Yeah, I mean that's what I thought because it's an actual working thing. I mean, I can always dock back the AI in, and then I can do this to it also. Nice. I can make it a bigger AI. It's just like what you do to like all the other stuff. Like I guess. I mean, I'm going to like try and get it to work. Decals is something I like. It's something where you can add stuff. I mean, all you have to do is just upload from your photos or anything you have. Oh, I clicked files. I meant photo library to load. Nice. Okay. Nice. Now let me use this one. Okay. Nice. So I can like add a photo right here. I can exit out, and then right here there's all this. Like it actually is a decal. Zooming in, oh my god, I can see like 1,000 of them on this. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, I mean that's what that's what Claude made. I kind of prompted it to make this because I knew you guys would want something like this. I think. Oh my god, yeah, you can kind of increase how much the wrap scale is. I like how it's kind of like a texturing kind of method. It like wraps all around. That's what it's a texturing, I guess. It's just basically texturing, I guess, what you could like say. Oh, okay. Script takes us right here. You can script this, of course. You can control and enter. Oh, unexpected token. Yeah, I forgot I accidentally deleted a lot of stuff here. I forgot, like, remember that time I was like removing the code? Yeah, I was removing the like lines. That's why. That's why I don't go back to gallery. I can show you what else is here. You have a share button. You can like share this build. I would expect it not to work. Yeah, because the core. It's probably one of these an extension or like problem. There's the share, and then we have rendering, of course, which is right here. And then the last thing we actually have right here is settings switch. I'll show you what I mean. Light is light mode, which has everything in light mode, so like you can like kind of like see it in light. Of course, I'm a dark guy, so I'll go for the dark. Forge 3D can make it look like this. It will make it look nice. Now the floor grid we can also like change. If you wanted to show the floor grid, I'll probably remove that. I would recommend having the floor grid for users that or used to it. There's also the axis indicator I can switch off because, I mean, who would need the axis exactly? I don't think, yeah, I don't need the axis. Yep, and I'll switch on the floor grid. Now you can see everything has changed. I can change the camera's, I guess, controls. Firstly, the zoom speed. Yeah, that's much more faster. I can feel it. I can definitely feel like it's a bit more faster, significantly faster. I'm gonna change that, okay. And then I can go back here to layout. Okay, I don't know why it's not moving. I think I have to like, I'll just try restarting it, I guess, because that might make sense. So yep, I think it's just error with the website. I'm gonna just quickly try it out again. Okay, sign up. I'll sign up as a continuous guest. Of course, I mean, because I embedded it from Google Sites, it won't actually have a thing. Something I wish I'd actually Google Sites might have done is make it so that it says local storage, because now all my friend lists are gone. And let me try going to add friends. No, not add friends. Oh, I think I went inside again. Yeah, okay, never mind. Yep, I went inside again to the same thing. I mean, I really like the share button. I wish it would actually work. What it's supposed to do, I guess the share button is, it's supposed to like share it so you both can edit the same thing on both windows. That would be like that's what I'm trying to make. Of course, like, I mean, like popping these things out, I can just press window, and I can just pop both of them out like this, like this also. I mean, like I can just, or I can put that down. Oh, that's perfect. I can put that one up. Oh yeah, this feels nice also. But of course, I'm docking them back in again to the same place. This is also scroll bar. This is also scroll bar up here, which is something that I didn't add before. I mean, also added this for update log, which has every update that we have done so far. Nice. I just want to try it out one time. The AI if it might work, because one time I tried it, I actually freaked out because it actually like worked. I don't know. Yeah, it's not working. I'm trying every one of these out. It's not working. Because we're seeing how I did the AI. I don't know if that will work. Yep, it doesn't work. But anyways, that's for like I think V3, and bye guys.